This is my cousin Sabrina and myself doing pull-ups. We did 3 sets of 10 reps, and she was doing assisted pull-ups. And with these 3 sets, we switched our grip, and it still hit the same muscle, but it's going to develop it in a slightly different way when we change the grip. And like I said, we did 3 sets of 10, and this is a back and lat exercise.